Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to install GSAP inside Webflow the new way, and that is without using any CDN script tag. Now Webflow acquired GSAP, making all the plugins now free to use whether you're a Webflow user or not. But using GSAP with Webflow is now smoother than ever as it is now natively integrated in Webflow. Webflow also has a preview mode right now that can enable custom code, meaning you don't need to publish your site to see your custom code in action, as you can now view it directly inside Webflow. All this we are going to talk about in this video, so if you are ready, let's dive in. As you know, Webflow is just a visual representation of HTML, CSS, and a little touch of JavaScript. The navigator side being the HTML, and over here to the right side, the style side being the CSS. For our body element, we gave it a layout style of display flex and we aligned it to the center. We also gave it a height of 100% VH and a background color of dark gray. And then we have a div inside the body element, which I gave it a class of ball, and then it has a background color of red. It has a size of 50 pixels, and then it also has radius of 100% to give it this ball-like effects. I also have a GSAP animation in the before body tag that triggers any element with the class of ball to move it 400 pixels to the right, and we set the duration to 1 second. So now we have all this. Let's preview if our animation is going to work. Now if you want to preview if this code is working, I no longer need to always come here and press publish every time I need to check. I can manually click on the preview right here in Webflow without publishing the site. Now we're in preview mode. We have our custom code enabled. We expect our ball to move 400 pixels to the right, but it's not working. Now to make this work, using the old method, you would have to go to this website and copy the CDN script tag, go back to Webflow and paste it above our code in the before body tag, just like this, and save. And if we preview our code now, you can see it works. But now that we have GSAP directly integrated into Webflow, we do not need any CDN script tag to make this work. I'm just going to select the whole CDN script tag and remove it. I'm just going to delete the whole script tag, hit save. Then now, how am I going to make this work? I'll have to go to the settings, and then you see GSAP here. I'm just going to toggle this button to include it to our site, and as you can see, GSAP core is now included on this site, and from here you can even install the plugins you desire for your website. And now let's save changes. Now if we go to the preview, you can see now that it still works even without the CDN script tag. And that is all for the video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification icon to get notified when we drop more valuable tutorials just like this. Thank you.